So we've got these door handles and the plate that helps them fix onto the bit that's on the door keeps on coming off. So these would normally sit in here like that, and the little rivets there splay out over the top of that to stop them from coming out. But they just keep on popping out when people are pulling the door handles. So I'm going to see if I can use some epoxy to glue them together. So let's clean it to get all the grease off first. So just spray some alcohol. That's near enough 100% isopropyl alcohol. So you get that from electronic stores and things like that, but a bit hard to come by at the moment because of all the coronavirus, people wanting to make their own hand sanitizer. So this glue I'm using here is epoxy, particularly Selleys Araldite. So we just squeeze out equal amounts from each side into a plastic shot glass. I think it should be about enough. And make sure we replace the cap onto the correct orientation using the keyway in the cap as a guide. Let's just mix this up. Okay, so let's work out where this has to go. So don't want to put too much in the areas there where the keyway, or whatever you want to call it, where the studs go to connect it onto the panel, so we'll try and avoid some of that. And we just smear around the rivets with a lollipop stick. I don't think that would really make it stick any stronger, but you never know. It might help ever so slightly. So it's now been about a week since I've put on the glue on these. So the epoxy has set on that, which is good. So we'll just try and see what this is like on the doors. So we get the square post going through the hole. So these have little round circles where these bits go in, and then they just slide around to fit in. So the amount of force I was putting on there to actually twist that means that, yeah, that's brilliant. Okay, so looks like that's staying on. Another job well done. Cheerio.